Afternoon class. First of all, I would wish you a happy Ashtami. I think you have enjoyed so many dishes today, and with a good mood and sweet mood, we have to continue our chapter. Today, we will cover two topics: Holozoic animals and digestion in amoeba. Yesterday, I have given a brief discussion on Holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition is that nutrition in which animals or in which organism take complex food, that is solid food. So today we will continue with Holozoic animals. First, Holozoic animals are those animals which intake complex organic matter as food. Here are some examples like goat, rabbit, horse, tiger loin, and pig and rat, human being also. So these are further categorized into three parts. First is the what? Herbivores. These are herbivores, these are carnivores, and these are the omnivores. So holozoic animals are further categorized into three parts: herbivores, omnivores, and carnivores. You can see here herbivores feed on plant, carnivore feed on flesh, omnivore feed on both plants and flesh. You can also see examples in this figure. Okay, I think it is clear to you. This is basic thing. And now holozoic nutrition involves some steps, mainly 5 steps, which is most important. So it is important for you and new for you understand it. There are steps which you can see in this diagram. Okay, first one is the ingestion. First step is ingestion, second one is digestion, third absorption, fourth assimilation, fifth egestion. Okay, first again I'm repeating: first is ingestion, second digestion, third absorption, fourth assimilation, fifth egestion. These are most important steps in holozoic nutrition. Now let's discuss briefly. In ingestion, what happened, beta? In ingestion, an organism intake food in complex form. Organism take food in complex form. For example, human being, they take food, solid food, that is chapatis, rice, or whatever, any junk food, that is solid food, and that is also complex form. In digestion, this complex food is converted into simple form. Okay, this complex food is converted into simple form. Next, absorption. In absorption, this simpler food is get absorbed in the bloodstream so that it can be transported to different cells, different parts of the body. In assimilation, absorbed food being utilized for energy and needed for various activities. Now, in assimilation, in a layman language, this simple food, food which was absorbed by body, it is used for energy. It provides us energy, that is assimilation. Next step is the egestion. Egestion is the removal of undigested food from the body, unwanted material from the body. I think these 5 steps are clear. You can see, I'm giving you 30 seconds, you can read it. Okay, beta. Now you can draw this diagram in your notebook. It sounds very good. Okay, now start with digestion in amoeba, beta. First of all, what is amoeba? Amoeba, it is a unicellular organism, or you can say it is a unicellular animal. What? It is unicellular animal. It does holozoic nutrition. Just we have completed holozoic nutrition. Here is this collage of amoeba which I have taken from Wikipedia, beta. So you can see amoeba, microscopic body. Okay, here is the diagram of amoeba, which is most important diagram. Okay, these are the important parts of amoeba like pseudopodia, vacuoles, nucleus, membrane, ectoplasm, endoplasm, another vacuole, nucleus. Okay, beta, this is the most important diagram of amoeba. So Now we have to discuss how nutrition in amoeba take place. Okay beta, how nutrition in amoeba take place, or you can say digestion in amoeba take place. First of all, what happened beta, ingestion take place. How ingestion? Amoeba, with the help of pseudopodia, I will tell you what is pseudopodia. With the help of pseudopodia, it trap the food particle. Next is the digestion. Now this trapped particle, it get digested in amoeba in vacuole. Where? In vacuole. Where beta? In vacuole. In third step, absorption. When this food is after digestion, this food is what happen, क्या होता है बेटा, this food is absorbed. Okay, where it this food is absorbed in साइटोप्लाज्म में एब्जॉर्ब होता है. अब ये भी मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूँगा कैसे, कहाँ होता है साइटोप्लाज्म, क्या होता है. सो अभी आप एक बारी साइकिल को देखिए. नेक्स्ट इज द नाउ दिस after that assimilation take place. Here for here what happen beta, in assimilation this absorbed food, it get stored and provides energy and help in photosynthesis of amoeba. Okay, next is the egestion. In egestion what happen, in egestion extra material or you can say unwanted material is thrown out from the body of amoeba. Okay, this is the cycle which show the digestion in amoeba. So now these are the important terms for digestion in amoeba. First thing is the what, ingestion. In ingestion, with the help of pseudopodia, amoeba takes food. Now what is pseudopodia? Question arises. You can see here in diagram pseudopodia. See beta, this is pseudopodia. See, this is pseudopodia. Okay, pseudopodia means what? Pseudopodia means, just a minute. What pseudopodia? Pseudo means fake. What? Pseudo means fake. Podia means feet. Means amoeba don't have defined feet. It has jelly-like structure, and these are pseudopodia. They changes at regular interval. With help of pseudopodia, amoeba engulfs food particle. Suppose this is food particle here. Amoeba what will do? These pseudopodia, they get joined, and this food particle will be trapped is trapped by this amoeba through pseudopodia. Okay, बेटा ध्यान से समझिए इसे एक बारी इसको particle. See, this dot is a food particle. Now this pseudopodia, they get joined like this. Now this particle is inside the body of amoeba. Now then after ingestion, digestion take place, assimilation take place, absorption, then assimilation, and then what happen? Egestion. Okay, so I think it is clear to you what is pseudopodia. And this complete process in intake of food by amoeba is known as the phagocytosis. What? Phagocytosis, which is most important. What is phagocytosis? It is a process in which what happen, in which amoeba take food with help of pseudopodia. I have already explained what is pseudopodia. Now next is the digestion. Here enzymes released by lysosomes in food vacuole termed as intracellular digestion. Again come to this diagram. Here. See, here is lysosomes. What? यहाँ पे बेटा क्या है? This is lysosomes. Lysosomes release some enzymes which help in digestion. Where? This lysosome enzyme in vacuole. बेटा vacuole जो होगी ना, vacuole के अंदर lysosomes enzyme को release करेंगे. You can see vacuole, food vacuole here, or this vacuole. Lysosomes releases enzyme in vacuole. vacuole में ये enzyme को release करेंगे which help in digestion. वो जो enzymes होंगे बेटा that will help in digestion of that food particle. Okay. Next step is, and this is termed as intercellular digestion. So this in this process, what is intercellular digestion? As I told you, amoeba is a unicellular organism. Okay beta, unicellular organism. Therefore what happened? Therefore you will come to know that cells has many cell organelles. So lysosome, vacuoles, these all are mitochondria, Golgi bodies, these all are the what? These are the cell organelles of a cell. And this amoeba is a unicellular organism, means it has only single cell. Unicellular means single. Unicellular means single cell. Okay. Human being is multicellular organism. So if it is single cell, what happen? Everything, every procedure will be in that particular cell. That is known as that is why it is known as the intercellular digestion. I think now it is clear to you. बेटा intercellular digestion वो होता है जिसमें एक सेल के अंदर ये सारा प्रोसीजर कंटिन्यू रहता है. That is intercellular digestion. Absorption. Digested food utilized to cytoplasm. Again, cytoplasm is a part of cell. Here in absorption, that digested food is spread into cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly like structure inside the cell. Next is the next is the assimilation. In assimilation, I told you absorbed food is stored and utilized later for photosynthesis. This as an means to produce energy. This absorbed food is used in photosynthesis. Next is the egestion. Egestion means undigested food throughout from the body. That is the egestion. I think now this diagram, I'm talking about this diagram. This is most important, which help you to understand how digestion takes place in amoeba. Phagocytosis is also important. This one and this cycle. This is the digestion in amoeba. What? Just a minute. Digestion. Wait. Digestion in amoeba. Okay. So this cycle is also important for you. Thank you beta. Keep smiling. Be healthy. Be safe. And good luck for your life also.